RHS Pre-Calculus presents Peter the Polar Bear, the Mystery of the Polar Coordinates. In this video, we will be explaining how to convert a polar coordinate into a rectangular coordinate. Peter the Polar Bear was a troubled polar bear. He was depressed because his girlfriend had just left him because she didn't think he was smart. One day, as he was walking along the ice, contemplating what he should do, he discovered 3 mysterious penguins. Perhaps they could help him on his quest to win back her love.
Why, who might you be?
We are So, Ka, and Toa. We have come from the South Pole to guide you on your quest.
Why do you want to help me?
We have been sent to help you because we believe that anyone can do math and win their girl back.
But how do I know she still loves me?
Though you do not know it, she has left you a clue to where she resides.
If you can solve this problem, you can find her.
Where's the clue?
It is this tablet. It contains a coordinate for her location.
But so, this coordinate has an angle in it. I can't solve this. I can only use rectangular coordinates.
Oh, but you can. This is a polar coordinate. It presents the same information as a rectangular coordinate, but in a different way.
It contains the angle and distance from the origin where the point resides.
But it looks so different. How am I supposed to convert this to a coordinate I know how to use? I'll never win her love back.
Don't worry, we'll show you how to convert it.
First, you draw the point.
But what quadrant is it in?
Well, which quadrant is 135 degrees in?
Why is it in the second quadrant?
Very good. Now how far is it from the origin?
It says 2 root 2. Does that mean it is 2 root 2 miles from the origin?
Affirmative. Now let's draw that.
Now what?
Well, this equation is the equation we will use to convert. As you can see, r represents r times the cosine of theta, and y represents r times the sine of theta. First, we will solve for x. Since r is 2 root 2, and theta is 135 degrees, we simply multiply the cosine of 135 by 2 root 2. The sine of 135 degrees is negative root 2 over 2. So we do 2 root 2 times negative root 2 over 2. This is negative 4 over 2, which is just negative 2.
So now we do the same thing for y?
Exactly. Now because the sine of y of 135 degrees is positive root 2 over 2, we can infer with the same logic that the y coordinate is positive 2.
So the rectangular coordinate is just negative 2, comma 2.
Positively.
So now what?
Well, since we know your girlfriend resides longing for you 2 miles west and 2 miles north of here, you must now walk there. You can start walking west for 2 miles, then turn right, or walk north 2 miles, then turn left.
And with that, Peter the Polar Bear walked 2 miles west and then 2 miles north to where his girlfriend was supposedly waiting anxiously to give him a big bear hug. Unfortunately, she turned out to have already found another lover, and her love for him was now as undefined as the tangent of 90 degrees. But nonetheless, Peter was filled with unspeakable joy at his new math skills, and he lived happily ever after. The end.